If you've ever double-clicked an AVI file in Windows 10 and it opened in the wrong app, this video is going to fix that in just a few simple steps. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set AVI files to open with VLC Media Player by default. So every time you open an AVI video, it launches in VLC automatically. This is a quick and easy way to make sure your videos play smoothly in a player that supports a wide range of formats. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful Windows tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard and type Default Apps. When you see it in the search results, press Enter to open the Default Apps settings page. This is where Windows lets you choose which app opens different file types by default. Once the settings window opens, scroll down until you find the option that says Choose Default Apps by File Type and click it. Windows will now show a long list of file extensions on the left side, along with the apps currently assigned to each one on the right. Take your time and scroll down through the list on the left until you find .avi. This is the file type we want to change. When you locate .avi, look to the right of it and click the app that's currently selected. A pop-up list of available apps will appear. From that list, select VLC Media Player. Once you do that, Windows will immediately save the change, and AVI files will now open in VLC by default. That means the next time you double-click an AVI video, it should launch in VLC without you having to manually choose the app each time. If VLC doesn't appear right away, make sure it's installed properly on your computer. You may also need to scroll through the app list a little further, depending on how Windows displays your installed programs, and that's it. You've successfully set AVI files to open in VLC Media Player in Windows 10. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy computer tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.